welcome back to my toy review. Have you enjoyed the last video? Well, let's have more fun with Play-Doh Sled Adventure. This is what we have in the box, and we'll assemble our sleigh first and then make the dress of Anna. I'm going to make the dress of Anna. And that's how it looks like. Let's make the row below her dress. Let's make Anna's scarf. I'm done with the dress of Anna. Now let's make Olaf. This is Olaf. Let's make some snow for Olaf to stand on. Now let's make some decorations for the sleigh. And that's how our sleigh looks like. Now let's make the snowy road for the sleigh. Now let's make the rope for the saddle. Now we're ready to connect the sleigh to Sven. Let's put Anna on the sleigh. Yay! Anna is ready to go. Did you like the adventure? Well, let's have more adventures in my next videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye!